Hi, today I'm ready for Realme C55 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, this option works so fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully with the in the couple of seconds. This is the good result for the face unlock method. I just suggested to try it, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.